Hi everybody, Tim Kelly here. Welcome back to Master Photo Techniques. Today we're going to share with you the second half of the lovely Ansley's Bridal Portrait session, which is both very educational in the form of lighting and posing, but also a lot of fun. Join me behind the scenes, and I hope you enjoy. So we're going to the center and watch the dowel at the end. Step over it. And then turn around. Come, yeah. See, I'm gonna get you approximated, and then you gotta come to center more. Too much, go forward and to the lights. Yep. Somewhere in here, and I just wanna get it started. Just 1 inch this way, better. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll do the rest. Now for this one, you will wanna have your weight on the proper leg, which is your right leg. On your right, weight on your right. So the first one, this one doesn't do anything. Okay?
So my left leg.
Nope. You would be, if you're here, if you're on your, well, for that pose, if you're facing this way,
yeah.
You put the weight on the right and pop this one out.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Ainsley, you're great, but your body wants to face more shade this way. Good. And then bring the hands together. And then again, from this platform, you gotta be leaning forward and to the light, and nose to the light. All right, sweetie, stay there. Now, body looks wonderful. Your face wants to be square and almost off axis to your neck. You got the windblown hair. It's so cool, okay.
We're in a garden.
That's right. Makes perfect sense to me. Shorten the mane, please, because we're lightening your bodice too much. Nice. Yeah, that's a beautiful balance right there. So let me get a few. And, okay, let me look at you. That's a great bend. Now we take some dress over here. Mm-hmm. Don't use this one ever. The whole wedding day, don't use that. No.
The pointer.
Don't use the pointer, because this is how we pinch. And then pull it up and bring it. Good. And the other one, what we can do with this one is go up behind the veil, actually. Ooh. Like that. Like you're flaring that. Or just.
I can't grab it.
You're not allowed to grab it, no. Keep it close. We will have to redirect this. I'll just I'll bounce it so it's not too strong. But I don't. Okay, now this is you. Beautiful. This hand's got to be more like that. Yep. Try even more palm to the air. Skinny. There you go. Now, let's get the head straight. Very pretty. Boy, it's coming together. Okay. So classy. You, dear, are a mannequin. You're perfect. Chin down tiny. Just gonna redo this one. Just redo it. Just take it down. And then get yourself a little piece of veil and just do it afresh. Like that. Yeah, you can have the hand in the front of the veil. That's beautiful. Like that. Looking at the ground first. Eyes to me next. Bring this veil across you a little bit. Oh, you blusher, you. Smiling. That's a winner. Winner. Okay. Okay, I got relax it. What I need to do though, I have to get her whole dress now, so you're gonna have to be softer overall with the lighting, so I don't get much from this reflector. We're going for the whole thing. Okay, Ansley, what you want to do is get your weight on that proper leg, of course. Turn your top out of the light, tiny, just a little. Okay, now bring the hands together for the moment, and then the face goes that way. This is just a recording of the entire dress. I want to make sure it's all there beautiful. It is, I need more power on 2 to lighten the background behind her a tiny bit. And then looking right here. Gorgeous. Okay, Ainsley, face to me just a little. That's fine, curves right there is good. All right. Yeah, that's good. It's still pretty dark in that corner for some reason, so maybe you should give me more power there. Yep. I don't like having to fix things later. That's better. That's better. She's so white, so bright and everything. We have to kind of get in the same zone. All right. We got the whole dress. Let's go ahead and do a pluck hand, please. And the other one can just go to the back side or something. Yeah. Pumped up, falling to the camera. Yeah. I can almost see your shoe. Cinderella all over again. Here we go. Let's see. Yes. Stay there. Let's do that for her. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do it this side too. So we need some on both sides. These are just so pretty. This is the right veil for sure. And this hand's still great with the ring. So this one can be used to you can actually grab the veil that way too. See how? Well, yeah. There's so many versions. You don't want to look like you don't want to look like you need your whole hand to do anything. Okay, there you go. Gorgeous. Yes. Magical for sure. Let me get a wide shot with everything in it. Yeah. I'll tell you what, you need to make an articulation at the elbow though. Come in or out. I think grab some veil and turn out. Yeah, I think that's better. Good. We'll keep the elbow tucked in nice and tight. Very good. And then let the hand fall a little bit. Let's see if it's down. Let's try it higher. That's better for you, really. Good. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Lighting is so good. Okay, take a breath. We're gonna do just a couple more with a different lens. And I love it. We're gonna basically go to the same thing, but we don't need the whole dress for this. Okay. So let me first turn out of the light. Weights on one leg, bouncy, bouncy. And then go ahead and get you some here. See, this hand looks pretty good. What we wanna do though is close. Let me see, do that again. Keep this out of the equation. Grab some, pull it up. Yeah, that's better, nice and skinny. And this one you can try again. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. Just this way with your veil, okay? Okay. Good. Let's bring it higher. Yeah, relax it a little bit, breathe. Good. We just don't want them the same height, so go lower. Let's shorten, or make the main light higher. Give me more face light, but less bodice. Thank you. Let's get veil on this side and bring it right to here. Yes, keep the wrist bent and across a little. Very pretty. Then this one, let's bring this behind the back for a minute. Good, and turn the top a little my way, good. Now we're gonna make that little bit of a C curve this way, and the nose goes there. Gee, looks great. If she falls over, I'll let you know, but otherwise she's doing good. Okay, good. Last thing I need with this is some more close veil stuff. So breathe easy on the hands. We're gonna go ahead and bring the veils forward. And you can grab a little bit, and then we're gonna bring them up first to here. And then we're gonna bring them higher and higher. What this is shaping gorgeously. Oh, good. Stay there. Go with a very flat front light on her. High though, very high though too. Good. All beautiful pose. Just tip it down more. Good. Stay there. Love it. And then give me a little happy. We'll just take the same thing. We'll bring the veil like even closer to your, almost to your chin. For these are severe close-ups. So just grab some, and we're yeah. Okay. You need the practice. There you go. Now we're gonna bring it almost to the chin for a real close-up. Bring it real high. Good. No, that's good. Lower is good. Right there's. I want to see your neck. That's good. Actually, I'm gonna pull it down. I got that shot already with it way high. I don't need this. So relax. We don't need it to be there. Now get it. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, one hand a little higher than the other. Yeah. Oh, the ring hand out. Chin down. Beautiful. Nice. What we could do is blow some background behind her right there. And chin lower, just a touch. And hands lower. And I think we want to break them more uphill like this. The wrists are broken. Yeah. Boom. A lot. Yeah. Even like this, even a little clap that shows off the ring. You just gotta dig for it. Oh, love it. Oh yeah, very, very pretty. Relax. Got that. Breathe easy. So what we're gonna do is sit, let me pull the dress around front first. I don't know if you might want some up higher or anything. You might. You might want a little bit of dress there, perhaps. Oh yeah, yeah, we're gonna have it come around. You look amazing. Bring your ring hand more that way. Yeah, bring some veil with you. And if it's blowing away too much, we'll take care of that. Good. So both hands want to come to the middle, so you need the elbow there. Good. You're blowing up, you're going that way, but then your face goes to the light. That's perfect. Okay, let me do a couple of test shots. That's good. A tiny bit shorter if you can, Kurt, just a tiny. And let me turn the power down on the background here a little bit. Let's check it out. Good. Very pretty. Your face looks great. Look like a different woman lit from the other side. Your face looks completely different. But you're doing great. Here's the goal. Lots of body English, as we say. So you're pumped up. Go as hard that way as you can first. Yeah, and forward. And then nose to the bottom of the light. Okay, so let's get your head straight first. Good. I think that's better for your face. Down a touch. Right there for a couple. Okay, I turned that down, but turn it back up to 29 or 30 or something, just a little bit up. And, okay, this is the shot. And body's really pretty. It's good, leaning the right way. I'll tell you what, the ring hand is the featured, so put that down. Good. This hand will come and just barely touch on the top of, yeah, that's good. A little more, a little less of it. Even go like more like this, like up the arm first, and then start bringing it down. There you go. On that side, yes. If I could have a little, don't have to be too much. Loving it. Can you put a GOBO on that side of her hip? And I need a pretty strong GOBO over there. Yeah. Don't deface the hands or the face. Love it. Okay, honey, let's see. Can we go shorter with the mane? Still. Love it. Okay, Ansley. You promised me you're pumped up all the way, right? And then I want your nose to go to the, and look at the light, the bottom of the light. Then cut the eyes to me. And then we're gonna be just a little happier. Good, and I think I wanna see more veil on the shadow side. Yeah. It's a little empty there. So you do the same thing. Yeah, we'll just get more of it over here. There we go. Get more to light up that shadow side a little bit. Beautiful. Okay, let's look at it. Turning the light towards me so it doesn't get on her that much there. More of just a frontal light. Yeah, that's probably better. Spotlight is going to the lower right, right? Yep. Give me more power on it. Lower left, yeah, floor left, if you can, just a little bit. Good. And lastly, let's do this since she's sitting. Get that beauty dish over there. I'm just going to pop it on here instead. What we're going to do on this shot, two things. This is more of a glamoury Hollywood thing. Get a balance in here. I want you to, the only difference for you is you're going to bring your veil in close again. Grab two pieces of veil, bring them up. Right, yeah, and punch up. Body still facing the right way. Face goes this way. Lean more forward. Good. All righty. Let me get a quick test on that chin lower, honey. Down, down, down. Good. Let's see. Yeah, it's really pretty. I want the background darker for this, so let me turn this off. And let's see if that does it for me. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. That's definitely better. Spotlight can go a little bit lower, just a touch, so it doesn't light the background. Beautiful. And nose right at me. Good, good. All right. Your face is so pretty. Here's what we'll do it one more time fresh. This is it, I promise. I want to see that ring and the hairdo. Let me turn the face that way a little bit. See if I like that. And eyes to me. That's the angle I don't have yet. So now get you some veil and bring it up close. That's good. Right there is good. Fall into the reflector and into us. And this will do it. If you higher mane, just tip it down a little bit. I want more modeling under her chin. Good. And then, yeah, just redo the hand. Show me the ring. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what I wanted right there. Nose right at me, or that way. I'm sorry. We're going back to that 2/3 face over there. And tell you, we'll do the veil this way. Turn it out, you know, or actually grab it like this. And I want it to have more coverage of you. So
Like on my hand,
over your bod.
Oh.
You know, we just want to get more. I want to get you more wrapped in it.
Grab it more in the middle, not the edge. There you go.
And then just, you know, we're just getting more of a closed. Yep, there you go. We're going 1930s and 40s on you. So nice. And no big smile. And looking towards that light over there. Look up into it almost. Higher, higher, higher. Yes. Shorter, beautiful. Oh, that is so awesome. Yes, I think this was Grandma's pic. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just thinking. Looking up that way again, one more time. But now eyes to me. Lovely. Oh my gosh. All right, everybody, that was fun. Thanks for being with us today here on Tim Kelly's Master Photo Techniques. We just did the third in a row of wonderful brides from one family. Exquisite. And I hope you enjoy seeing how all these shots were done. Thank you for subscribing, and we appreciate you.